Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete backed up photos on Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Then you need to select photo or photos what you wanna remove. Let's say this one, so if you want to only single photo, you need to click on it, then click at the trash at the right bottom, and got it. Delete. Or if you want to remove multiple photos or videos, just select them and then click trash right here and delete. Now we have these photos in collections. Right here we have trash, and we can delete from the trash. If we delete it from the trash, it will remove your photos permanently. So to remove them from the trash, click at the three dots, then select, and you can select some photos and click delete, or click delete all. You can also restore them if you need them, or you can wait 30 or 60 days. If your photos back up, you need to wait 60 days. If it not back up, 30 days. And Google Photos automatically remove these photos from the trash. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.